Hello, nursery class. Today I am going to teach you how to write A, the uppercase A and the lowercase a. Look, this is Amina. Amina. And this is her name, Amina. You must know many alphabets by now. Can you find me an A? Find me the A. Wow, excellent. But do you know there is another A also? Can you find me another A? Yes, this is also A. This was the uppercase A. And that was the lowercase a. Amina. Hi, this is Anaya. Anaya. Anaya has a name too. Can you see the alphabets? Let's find the A's. Very good. That's one A. Another small case A. And in the beginning is an uppercase A. That's always written in the beginning of a name. Great job. Now you know the two A's. Okay, let's learn to write. First, uppercase A. Slant, down, one line slanting down, and the other line on the other side. Two slants. And a small one across. Very good. Do you remember small a? How to write small a? Very good. Go round and then up and down with a little flick. Small a. Uppercase A. Can you see it is written in three lines? Uppercase A is written between three lines. And the sound is A. A. Now look. The small case A is written between two lines. See? A. A. So now we've learned uppercase A and lowercase a. MashaAllah, you've learned so much. Great job. Now practice writing on your own. Goodbye now.